Hey everyone, welcome back. Thought I'd make a real quick video of how to properly put your lawnmower blade on now that we're up on lawnmower season. Let's go show you how to do that. So what I mean about putting your blade on properly is you want the cutting edge facing upwards, not the grass. So this is a brand new blade by Oregon 95-076. Some blades say grass side. Oregon's does not. Oregon, you should maybe do that. Think about doing that for your customers who don't know this. There's many people who put their blades upside down, and now you're trying to cut the grass with a non-cutting edge. So there is a proper way to do this. Look for the cutting edge, and it faces up. And we have another brand new one, 198049 by Oregon. Again, you got the nice cutting edge that faces upwards. Again, Oregon does not say grass side. Please do that for your customers who do not know. Now we have an MTD, pretty new blade. It has been on. Nice cutting edge, as you can see. This one is an MTD 742-04221. Notice right there, it says grass side. That means you want this blade this direction with the cutting edge facing up. So now you know to put your blade on properly. Have a good day.